Our final video for Chapter 3 will be on parallel lines and how they relate to triangles. A couple definitions we need to begin with first. An exterior angle of a polygon is an angle formed by a side and an extension of an adjacent side. So here you can see exterior angles labeled both on the triangle and on this hexagon. Remote interior angles are two non-adjacent interior angles to the exterior angle. So we have the exterior angle, and I know this can be confusing. The remote interior are the two angles that don't share that same side or aren't supplementary. So our remote interior angles are the opposite two angles to the exterior angle. And these will be important as we continue talking about postulates and theorems on our next slide. So the first postulate is the parallel postulate. And that says through a point not on a line, there is one and only one line parallel to that given line. So anytime I have a line and another point, there is one and only one line that can be parallel to that given line. And then the second postulate, or the second theorem, is the triangle exterior angle theorem. And that says the measure of each exterior angle of a triangle equals the sum of the measures of its two remote interiors. So what this is saying is angle 1 is equal to the sum of angle 2 plus 3. So let's try an example. Find the value of all the angles of the triangle. Pause the video and give it a chance. So if we're going to start with this, there's a couple different ways we could start. First, based on our triangle exterior angle theorem, G and 2G added together should equal the exterior angle, 102. So 102 equals 2G plus G. When we combine like terms, we get 3G is 102 and G is 34. So we can plug those in. We know that angle is 34, and we know 2 times 34 is 68. So we have 34 and 68. To find angle H, well, we know the angles of a triangle have to add up to 180. Or we also know that H and 102 have to add up to 180 because they're supplementary or a linear pair. So 180 equals 102, the sum of these two angles, or the total of the angle that is supplementary to it, plus H. It's going to give me 180, and when we subtract, use the subtraction property of equality, we get H is 72. So our final angle is 72. And that's it, nice and short, and we can celebrate. You are done with your videos for this unit. Have a great night.